Are you looking for a fresh, effective way to jumpstart your weight loss journey and boost your energy, all while staying aligned with your Weight Watchers goals? Today, we're diving deep into the 21-day Smoothie diet, exploring how this popular program works and if it's the right fit for your personal points path. Get ready to blend your way to a healthier you. The 21-day Smoothie diet is a structured program designed to help you shed pounds, elevate your energy, and enhance overall well-being by strategically replacing meals with nutrient-dense smoothies. It's a focused, short-term plan that integrates wholesome smoothies into your daily routine. The program provides a comprehensive guide for 21 days, complete with specific smoothie recipes and a clear schedule for consumption. This diet aims to reset your eating habits and flood your body with essential nutrients. It's about making smart, liquid choices that are packed with vitamins and minerals. For Weight Watchers members, this means a potential opportunity to explore new, healthy recipes and manage your personal points effectively. The core principle of this diet involves replacing 2 of your daily meals with specially formulated smoothies. Your third meal of the day remains a solid, balanced meal. This approach significantly reduces your overall calorie intake while ensuring you receive vital nutrients. The smoothies are meticulously crafted to be rich in fruits, vegetables, and protein, providing satiety and essential building blocks for your body. While the diet claims to aid in detoxification, remember, your body has its own incredible natural detox systems. The primary benefit here is nourishing your body with concentrated goodness, which can certainly support your overall health and weight loss efforts. Many individuals report significant positive changes when following the 21-day smoothie diet. Let's explore these benefits and how they might align with your Weight Watchers journey. Users often experience noticeable weight loss within the 21-day period. For Weight Watchers, a quick start can be incredibly motivating, providing that initial boost to keep you going. Remember, WW focuses on sustainable habits, and this diet can be a powerful kickstart. The nutrient-rich smoothies can lead to a significant increase in energy levels. Packed with vitamins and minerals, these blends fuel your body efficiently. On Weight Watchers, choosing nutrient-dense foods, often zero-point heroes, is always encouraged for sustained energy. The high fiber content found in these smoothies is excellent for digestive health. Fiber promotes regularity and helps you feel fuller for longer, which is a huge advantage when managing hunger on Weight Watchers. It's a win-win for your gut and your personal points. The abundance of vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration in the smoothies may contribute to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Nourishing your body from the inside out often reflects positively on your complexion, adding another fantastic benefit to your wellness journey. While the full 36-recipe plan offers extensive variety, here are examples of the types of delicious and nutritious smoothies you'll encounter. Remember to always track your ingredients carefully for accurate personal points. This vibrant blend typically includes a mix of berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, spinach, protein powder, and unsweetened almond milk. Berries are often low in points, and spinach is a zero-point food. A powerhouse of greens, this smoothie often features spinach, kale, green apple, banana, lemon juice, and water. Be mindful that blending fruits like bananas and apples can change their personal points value from 0. Escape to the tropics with mango, pineapple, banana, coconut milk, and a touch of ginger. While delicious tropical fruits and coconut milk can be higher in personal points, so portion control and tracking are key. This is crucial for Weight Watchers members. When fruits are blended into a smoothie, they often no longer count as 0 personal points. This is because blending breaks down the fiber, making them less filling and easier to overconsume. Always track each ingredient individually using your WW app to ensure accuracy. Opt for unsweetened liquids and lean protein powders to keep points lower. Before embarking on any new diet, especially as a Weight Watchers member, it's vital to consider a few key aspects to ensure it aligns with your long-term health goals. While the 21-day smoothie diet offers a fantastic kickstart, consider how you'll transition back to regular eating habits. Weight Watchers emphasizes building sustainable lifestyle changes. Think about incorporating these healthy smoothie habits into your routine, rather than seeing it as a temporary fix. This diet may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with underlying health conditions or specific dietary requirements. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet plan. Your health is paramount. The one solid meal you consume daily is incredibly important. Ensure it is balanced, nutrient-dense, and provides all the necessary macronutrients and micronutrients. This meal is your opportunity to incorporate whole grains, lean proteins, and a variety of vegetables to complement your smoothies. While the diet is packed with nutrients that support your body's natural functions, remember that your liver and kidneys are highly efficient at detoxification. Focus on the diet's ability to provide concentrated nutrition and reduce calorie intake, which are its primary mechanisms for weight loss. The 21-day smoothie diet can be a powerful tool for a quick weight loss kickstart and a fantastic way to increase your fruit and vegetable intake. For Weight Watchers members, it offers a structured approach to calorie reduction and nutrient density. It can help you explore new healthy recipes and develop a taste for wholesome ingredients. However, remember to meticulously track your personal points for all smoothie ingredients, as blended fruits often carry points. Use this program as a stepping stone to healthier habits, focusing on mindful eating and sustainable choices that align with the Weight Watchers philosophy for long-term success. Ready to explore a delicious way to kickstart your weight loss and boost your health? If you're looking for a structured plan to infuse your body with nutrients and see quick results, the 21-day smoothie diet could be your next step. Click the link in the description below to get access to the complete 36-recipe smoothie diet plan and begin your vibrant transformation today. Share your favorite smoothie recipes in the comments and let us know how this diet fits into your Weight Watchers journey.